We all know that selling your home can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can avoid some common mistakes that could slow down the sale of your home. Certain actions or lack of thereof can backfire, causing your home to sit on the market for way too long. Here are 4 mistakes to avoid if you want to sell your home quickly and at the best possible price. Setting a price without market data. Pricing your home without considering the current market data can hurt your chances of selling. A realtor has access to up-to-date information on local market trends, helping you set a price that aligns with what buyers are willing to pay. Overpricing because of personal expectations can lead to fewer showings and longer times on the market. Limiting access to buyers. Imagine approving a showing but then not letting the buyer in the front door. It happens, but overly restricting your showings can discourage potential buyers. Ensure that your home is easy to visit with flexible showing times. Your realtor can provide guidance on how to make your home more accessible, allowing more buyers to see it in person and increasing your chances of a quick sale. Neglecting easy improvements. Small upgrades like fresh paint, fixing a leaky faucet, or steam cleaning the carpet can significantly enhance the appeal of your home. Addressing minor repairs such as wood rot, squeaky floors, reassures buyers that the home has been well taken care of. Using poor quality photos. We've all seen it. Poor quality photos. In today's social media driven world, first impressions are everything. It's made in a split second. Since most buyers start their home search online, high quality listing photos are essential. Poor images or cell phone images can reduce the interest of your home. To make sure your home stands out, work with a professional real estate photographer or consult with your realtor to present your property in the best possible light. Now that you know the key pitfalls like overpricing, restricting buyer access, neglecting small repairs, and using poor quality photos, let's dive into the next critical step, setting the perfect list price. Did you know that pricing your home just right is the key to attracting serious buyers and selling your home faster? In this video, we'll review the expert tips on how to determine the ideal price and maximize your offers. Click here to watch now.